Guys, we are going to be reviewing Disney's Alice the Jailbird 1925. Yeah, we see Alice have we see it's basically as the title of the short. Alice does go to jail, but for the most stupidest reason I could ever think of. Like this this character hippo lady. Yeah, it's a hippo lady. She's so petty because she made a pie. I don't know if this was like an all-day pie, but she called the police because some people stole pie. Because Alice and Julius the cat and a turtle, yes, they had a turtle with them, in that stole pie. That was basically like the first part of the short. Then they had the police chase. Apparently gravity doesn't work with the short because they're going up waterfalls now. Because Julius the cat had the turtle go up a waterfall to run away from the police. It's a police dog. It's a dog dressed as a policeman. So, yeah. But the policeman was like, well, if they're hungry, I'll just act like one of those creepy food van people. You know, the kind that kidnaps kids. It wouldn't work nowadays, guys. Do not go into a vehicle or come to a person that says free food or free candy. No. But this time it said free eats. More like free treats. Nope. Not with me. But and if I did have kids, I wouldn't say this is the example of what they're going to do to you. I would actually bring my kids into a room or bring kids into a room and say, do not take stuff from strangers, kids, or this will happen. It has happened in real life. So this is basically like them stealing a pie. I guess because it was like supposed to be kid friendly. This was like the most kid friendly they could find. But it's still kind of messed up because a little girl is in jail. A little girl is in an animal jail. Yes, it was an animal jail. That is so messed up. This short is messed up, people. Like, oh my goodness. But, yeah, Alice did escape with Julius the cat. But their turtle friend, not so good. It wasn't a happy ending. Like, the only people that I could see that could actually go to jail there, like, the villains so far, we got, like, in the Alice universe, is Pete, of course. Those rats I mentioned last short. Those 3 bears that I mentioned, like, a short back. Alice could go to jail because she is kind of a villain. Because she murdered a bunch of people. Like, that was... But this is a new Alice. The old Alice could go to jail because she was a troublemaker. Now, this new Alice, she isn't that much of a troublemaker. Her and another Alice that only played in like one short, like, only did, like, work at their jobs. But I do not think stealing a pie is something for people to go to jail. So, yeah. And also, happy 4th of July That was yesterday. But happy late 4th of July to everyone in America. And, yeah. I'm sorry, there's fireworks shooting in my background. I am so sorry. But thanks for watching. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.